This is today. Oh. Earlier.
Look at that.
Watch now.
I think it's broken.
Oh, hey!
We're going Eldora. We're going.
What is that? It's 6 inches. Well, that's what we know. It's as big as your breakfast or whatever.
Or for high school.
And we're gonna drop off the cars.
And we're gonna drop off a car so that's away. Perfect.
Be here at 5:30. I have my truck warmed up. You guys think of separate vehicle. We're gonna follow each other up.
So, high school. So, high school.
Eldora, Saturday morning.
Good morning. It's time to go skiing. 6:10 a.m. tomorrow. It's daylight savings time. It's a powder day today. The report says 5. The snow stake shows a little more than that. Going to the Dora to avoid the avalanche situation, closing the pass. We think the pass is gonna close again. They got another 10 inches of snow up there at least. Copper reported 11.
That's awesome.
That's
insane.
they've got like 60 inches of snow in a week.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Todd, we're gonna go through Jolly Jug today?
Yeah, man, Jolly Jug. That's how we got in here.
Jolly Jug, we're gonna get revenge, Todd's revenge on the mountain that wounded me took me out for like 3 weeks.
What happened, Todd? What happened?
It's a little bit of a, over enthusiastic run in fresh tracks. Blind. Hit the catwalk. That wasn't yet a catwalk.
How bad was that injury?
Bad. My leg is still kind of screwed up. Got like this, like the side of my quad is deformed. It's got a permanent indention from the side of the run.
Rod, you're driving way too fast for us this morning. Slow down, you're not going to school.
Do you know that I've been skiing for 44 years?
Oh my gosh, dude.
I'm in my 5th decade of skiing.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's insane, Todd. Well, dude, you've kept up. You gotta.
Are we supposed to go here? Yes.
Look, he doesn't even know we're behind him, dude.
Where are you guys?
We've been behind
We're
him
right behind you.
for 5 miles, and he didn't know we were behind him. I got it.
Good morning, skiers and riders. Welcome to the Eldora Snow Report for Saturday, March 9th, 2019. It's a powder day. The mountain has received 5 inches of new snow in the past 24 hours and a whopping 31 inches in the past week. Today, expect mostly cloudy skies, a high near 20 degrees, and breezes of 10 to 15 miles per hour.
That's not bad.
Strong wind gusts are also possible, but our forecast is steadily weakened throughout the day. We're also expecting a 60% chance of precipitation with snow accumulations of less than 1 inch. Come on up today and experience Eldora's spring day.
fun one. I think like.
Got the Headover, Raj.